It is only the surrounding atmosphere which gives subject their true value, said by Claude Monet. Welcome to Ye-sign's chocolate painting tutorial. My name is Yang. Today, we're going to learn how to paint water lilies from Monet's Water Lily series. From his paintings, we can feel the peace and calmness in his simplified and abstracted artwork. I hope you will have a joyful moment in your chocolate painting experience.
You will find a chocolate canvas, which is the main artboard you're going to paint with, some paints, some sprinkles and decorations, the painting tools, art certificate, and a painting palette. Please follow the steps carefully to achieve the best result. Put the plastic bag into a standard mug. Pour 1/3 cold water and 2/3 just boiled water. Make sure the bag is sealed with less air inside. Lay the water bag in the box. Place the palette over the bag gently. Break chocolate paint into small pieces. Place chocolate paint in the separate positions of the clear palette. Cover the box to warm the paint for at least 5 minutes. Add some spray oil occasionally to get a smooth, slickerish and less thick paint. In cold days, reheat the water bag in a box with microwave for less than 60 seconds each time. Cover the palette box when it's not in use to keep it warm.
Apply straight and long strokes of light blue horizontally. Make round or oval shapes with white paint. Then add a small mixture of dark blue and green over light blue underlayer. Then we move to the bottom part. Add oval or round-shaped green. They are the water lilies. Fill the gap between water lilies with light blue and dark blue. The dark blue will create the depth of the water. Try to cover the white chocolate canvas as much as possible. Mix 2 parts of dark blue with 1 part of red to make a violet color. Add violet on top of dark blue, especially near the water lilies to represent the shadows underwater. Add some white as a light reflection on top of the green leaves. Darken the borders with dark blue. Paint 6 water lilies with white. Then add red or pale red on top of white. Don't cover the white flowers thoroughly. Now we move on to paint the weeping willows. There are 2 ways to make it. First one is to hand paint directly. Make wavy lines with green paint, about 3 or 4 lines on each side. Second method is using a piping bag, which is recommended to adults or someone with advanced level. You will need to leave some green paint to melt in the bag and pipe out the thin lines. At the end, clean the edges with a stick.